Yo, it's your boy. We back. You feel me? Back with another video. This time I'm talking about credit. You feel me? I'm trying to show y'all how to get a bag for real. You know what I'm saying? So tap in and sub if you want a bag, bro. I'm gonna help y'all out. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna give y'all some tips and tricks to the game of life. You know, life is what you make it. You know what I'm saying? It can be hard. It can be easy if you got the knowledge, and I'm trying to help y'all, give y'all the knowledge for real. Today I just woke up. It's around 8 o'clock. You know, got the G Star shirt on. You know what I'm saying? Woke up with the bun, ain't fix nothing. You feel me? Got the Valentino bag, Skrilla drip, Skrilla shorts. Instagram link in the bio. You know what I'm saying? Check out my shorts for real if you want to grab a pair and all that there. You feel me? First, let's hop into credit. First thing first, hopping into credit. If you got anything you owe on your credit report or on your collections or whatever, anything you owe, you can dispute it. You feel me? You can dispute it. There's multiple ways to dispute. They got credit checking apps like Credit Karma, Credit Sesame, whatever you use to check your credit for real. You can just check your credit, dispute it through the app, see what you owe, dispute, and type in the reason why, etc., etc. This other way that most people use is sending letters. Send them letters over to them. Like, usually it gets resolved when you send a letter. You know what I'm saying? A lot of times you can just keep sending letters, blowing their stuff up, and they will get annoyed and just end up removing it anyway. But usually if you send one letter, one good letter, it usually go away for real, for real. And you can dispute something when something's wrong or inaccurate with your collection. You know what I'm saying? Whatever, like something you never did or never owed. You know what I'm saying? Fraud or whatever. And if the name is incorrect or the address is incorrect or anything, something like that, like this happens. It's common. It's pretty common. It's like some, you know what I'm saying? They make errors too. You know what I'm saying? But before you do your dispute letter, you want to get an annual credit report. You get one free credit pool per year. You know what I'm saying? Just to view your case for inaccuracies or anything, just to make sure before you write that letter. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you keep track, keep documentation of everything. You know what I'm saying? And provide the documentation when you're disputing. Like, tell them why you need this removed, why you need your credit fixed because you lost your car, or and what's the, you know what I'm saying? Tell them what's wrong and why this is not right. Why you can get it disputed. Let them know all that. Like, I'm gonna give y'all a dispute template, letter template in the bio below to help y'all, like for y'all letters and stuff, so y'all can follow and put that together. You know what I'm saying? If you when you send your dispute over, make sure you send it by certified mail and ask for a receipt so you can have the documentation. So you can document that the credit report company received your mail. You know what I'm saying? And the creditor have to respond to you by law in 30 days, and they gotta answer the questions you want to know and ask. You know what I'm saying? So they have to. And once you get all that resolved, once you get your stuff disputed, you know what I'm saying? If y'all don't understand what I'm saying, y'all want somebody to go deeper into it, you can always look it up on YouTube and do your own research. YouTube is great for information, you know what I'm saying? A lot of people pay people to fix their credit or pay people for knowledge or, whatever. You know what I'm saying? You can always go on YouTube and look for anything you want to know. The internet is huge, you know what I'm saying? So don't miss that opportunity for real, for real. You know what I mean? And another thing I want y'all to know is about credit cards. Like, credit cards is good for boosting your credit. Apply for a credit card online. If you can't get approved, apply for a secured credit card. Where you pay. Where you pay to get your credit card. You can get one through Capital One. That's good to get a secured credit card through. There's multiple different places you get a secured credit card through. Do your research. So I'll put some links in the bio below. You know what I'm saying? For y'all. But credit cards. If y'all already got a credit card, you know what I'm saying, make sure you use 10% only. 10% of the credit card. You know what I'm saying? That shows them that you're not keeping for the money. And this is what they like to see. That's how you play the game. 10%. That's the rule. 10%. If you got $100, only spend 10. Take that back. I'm saying keep doing that. Eventually, you can call them back, get a higher limit, $1,000, $5,000, and keep doing it. $10,000. People out there with $1 million credit cards. You know what I'm saying? The credit cards, you can do what you want with them. Spend it. It's money. You feel me? Some people pay their credit card off with another credit card. Live life like that. You know what I'm saying? Credit is a big finesse. You can do what you want. You feel me? And what else? What else? What else? What else? What else? What else? I forgot what I was about to say. My bad. Oh yeah. You can always get bankrupt if you mess your credit up too bad. It's 1,500 to get bankrupt. You know what I'm saying? It's not that bad. A lot of people get like 5 bankrupts. You know what I'm saying? Get bankrupt, boost your credit back up. Bankrupt removes everything from your credit. Clean slate. Get bankrupt, boost your credit back up. You know what I'm saying? You can crash your credit back out and cash out and then file bankrupt again and do it again. You know what I'm saying? But it depends on what you want to do with your credit. You know what I'm saying? There's people that do it, it's like millionaires that do it, and they still rich. You feel me? Or you can do it the right way, don't crash it out, and take a legit bankrupt. I mean, all bankrupts are legit if you take a bankrupt, but you know what I mean? Just don't mess that up. And do it right, you feel me? But now I'm about to take y'all to the computer screen, show y'all some apps and things that I use to boost my credit for real. Alright, here we go. The first one is Self. I use this. I use all the ones I'm about to show you for real. This one's good. You can pay $25 a month. It's like paying off a credit card bill or whatever, and it adds to your credit. Like, it boosts your credit real fast. And you can see, this is what it says. Apply for a credit builder account. Pay off your credit builder account in a specific amount of time. Each on-time monthly payments build credit history and add to your savings and unlock your savings. And you know what I'm saying? And all the money you pay, it comes back to you. Like, if you reach your limit, like 500, whatever limit you set, so you can, you know what I'm saying, pay your credit off, stack that up, send that 25, stack that 500 up, and you pocket it at the end. You can take it all out. No hard pull, automated payments, track your credit score, reports to all 3 credit bureaus. You can cancel it anytime and get your money, you know what I mean, that you put into it. Another one, Kikoff. You know what I'm saying, you can set it to like $2 a month or whatever, and it does the same thing itself. Both of these I use, and they're great for boosting your credit. No lie, not gonna cap to you. Definitely get on them, especially if you don't owe nothing. You got a fresh credit. You know what I'm saying? Score. Definitely like get on these. But if you got collections and stuff, you might want to dispute some collections that you got and remove what you owe. You know what I'm saying? Or you can use a CPN. You can add all these credit building methods to your CPN, because CPN is fresh and you're not gonna owe nothing. And you know what I'm saying? It'll be easier. A lot of people use CPNs to reset their credit if your credit's messed up or bankrupt, or just, you know what I'm saying, fix your credit with a dispute letter. Here's an example of the dispute letter. The link is going to be in the below for all of these, so you can just easily access it. You know what I'm saying? Dispute letter template, you can use it. Not copy this, but use it. Copy the template to put your information in, and you know what I'm saying, help your letter. You know what I'm saying? I'm just giving y'all the basic and rundown for everything. You know what I'm saying? Here's a Tradeline supply website. There's multiple Tradelines websites. You can buy Tradelines with TradelineSupply.com. It sells Tradelines. You know what I'm saying? You might want to do your own research to find which one's best for you. But you know what I'm saying? I'm just giving y'all some sauce that y'all can use. You know what I'm saying? Just anything y'all got questions on or not sure about, or need better examples, you can always research it. It's out here. YouTube is amazing for knowledge. You know what I'm saying? Why pay if you can learn it in 30 to 10 minutes through YouTube? You know what I'm saying? And I'll just make this video to help y'all for real. This is a Tradeline supply website, and here's Tradelines. You can get a $2,500 limit. Oh, first of all, a Tradeline is somebody with good credit or good debt, and you can buy that and add it to your credit score, your credit profile. and it makes your credit look good, make your credit boost and go really high. You can add multiple trade lines at one time. You know what I mean? A lot of people do it to their CPN to boost your credit instantly. You know what I'm saying? Because the credit of CPN is usually fresh. But if you can also apply this to your current credit, you know what I'm saying? Look, different trade lines. Look, they got $9,000 limit. You know what I'm saying? One in stock. This the price. This the age. Different banks. You know what I'm saying? They got different limits. 10,000. You can buy four $10,000 credit limits and have a $40,000 credit limit. Then you can get a huge loan, $40,000 loans or whatever you can get approved for, cars, whatever. You know what I mean? Credit is very important, y'all. Very important. This is a CPN. If I didn't show you, basically a social security number. You want to make sure you use it for legal purposes though, because if you use it for illegal purposes, you can go to jail, and that's the thing. But nah, y'all, thank y'all for viewing my video. You know what I'm saying? Like and sub. I'm gonna be posting more videos about, you know, loopholes and finesses to get money and just things y'all need to know to help y'all with credit or whatever. Whatever tips and tricks in life y'all need to help y'all get a bag, man. I want to see everybody get money, man. I got a clothing brand called Skrilla. It promotes success. You know what I'm saying? It promotes. It gives motivation, puts out motivation into the world. People to keep going, chase their dreams. You know what I'm saying? Put the Instagram below so y'all can check out my drip. I got NFTs also. If y'all interested in it, you know what I'm saying? Y'all don't got to, but I'm gonna put it in the bio below so y'all can check it out. Tap in with me. You know what I'm saying? Thank y'all for supporting. Peace.